I have here a 1994 Jeep Grand Cherokee 5.2 liter V8 that has trouble starting in extreme temperature changes and a lot of humidity too, like now. For instance, it wasn't raining last night and now it is, and it won't start. It will only run for about a few seconds, then it will die. Let's see what she does. See? Just ran for just a second. Do it again. I don't know if it's a fuel pressure regulator, distributor cap, spark plugs, moisture in my intake, which I just pulled off and checked. There's nothing. I have no idea. Now I'm going to try giving it just some gas and it will run fine. So watch. Oh, I wasn't pushing on it. See, it runs good. Running good. Now I'm going to let off. Oh, it's getting fuel. It's getting it. I don't know. You know what it also could be? Maybe it's a fuel pump or a fuel pressure regulator, but I just hear the fuel pump firing, so I know it is. Now, yep, it's trying to stay running. It's trying to stay running. Alright, let's check the gauge. See the gauge is reading. It's idling really rough right now. Oh yeah, let's check out the timing light. See if it's the ignition system. It's blinking a little fucky, wouldn't you say? Yeah, it's blinking a little rough. Now let's watch what happens if I give it a ton of gas. Didn't like it. I have no fucking clue what this is. It seems to be running really good right now. Have this handy dandy gauge right here. Alright, if you know what it is, leave a comment. Thank you.